Healthier Together, sponsored by Regence Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
It's hard to believe the summer's already coming to an end and it's time to go back to school. And I think we just have to think about what are the two ways to prepare both internally and externally.
Families are in back to school mode, squeezing out the last bit of summer while scurrying to check off that classroom shopping list. But don't forget to make health a priority when preparing for the first day of school. In today's Healthier Together, we're giving you some tips to get you and your family back in the school year routine. Here's Dr. Nicole St. Clair, an executive medical director for Regence.
Hopefully, we've all been getting a little bit of relaxation time and maybe sleeping in a little bit, maybe going to bed a little later, and kind of starting to shift towards getting on the schedule that we know is going to be healthiest for kids during the school year.
That means getting plenty of sleep, exercise, and proper nutrition. Johns Hopkins Medicine says 40% of total daily calories for 2 to 18-year-olds are empty calories from added sugars and solid fat. So focus on healthy foods without added sugars and try to be a role model for a healthy diet. Next, make sleep a priority. Dr. St. Clair suggests moving bedtime from your summer to school year schedule a week or two before the first day back. Establish a sleep ritual and put away electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime. One of the most important things to focus on this school year, or really any time of the year, is mental health.
I think parents need to just be aware and recognize that overall, in the U.S., kids are struggling. We know that in the lead up to the COVID pandemic, there was a significant year-over-year increase in feelings of depression and hopelessness, and that unfortunately has only accelerated.
Overall, it's just important to keep an open line of conversation with your children.
I think it's really important to recognize and validate that going back to school can be stressful, not just exciting, and really kind of make sure that you're talking to your kids and keeping open lines of communication.
And don't forget those yearly checkups. Now, she says, is the perfect time to get in.
Having a well child visit is really important for kids all the way through age 18 every year. And it's a chance to check in, make sure you're growing and developing properly, make sure all of your immunizations are up to date to start this school year.
For more tips to help get your kids in a healthy back to school groove, visit kgw.com/healthiertogether.